Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually boost your video to make it go viral. So now that you have it optimized well, you have the title, you have the description, you have the tags, you have the thumbnail, you have everything done as I showed you, you optimize it well. Let me show you how you can actually boost it, and this way, with this strategy, you actually have like 10 times higher chances of going viral. So you can just repeat this over and over again for every video you post. So once you publish your video, you will just copy your title. So just copy the title, and what you want to do is just log out of your channel and log into some other channel of yours, and you will just go to YouTube. You'll go to youtube.com and you will simply search for your video. Just paste your video URL right here, and if you can't find it, you will just filter by last hour, and as you can see, here it is. This is the video, and you will just click on it, and you will just do this over and over again in like 6 different tabs. You will open this in 6 different tabs or 5 different tabs, depending on how good your computer actually is and your internet connection, stuff like that. So you will open it in 4, 5, or 6 different tabs, and you will just let it play through. You know, open it in as many tabs as you can, let it play through for like 5 or 10 minutes, and that way you're increasing the watch time, you're increasing the click-through rate, because you're searching for those keywords, and then you're clicking on that video. And then as well, what you can do is just like your own video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to your own channel, and that way you're even boosting your engagement. So those are the 3 main reasons videos go viral, as I showed you in some of the previous lectures. So it's the click-through rate. You're getting higher click-through rate using this strategy, you're getting a higher watch time, and you're getting a higher engagement rate. And once you watch this video, you will just log into some different channel, and you will again search for this, and you will watch your own video, like your own video, and that way you are boosting your own videos. And the more views you get in the first 1 hour, the more engagement you get in the first hour, that can be actually crucial to getting your channel monetized, to getting your channel go viral. So definitely it's a great way to boost your videos really quickly.